Hi, my sweet, beautiful lights. My name is Kelly, and I chose the sound of the universe. Life-changing experiences, glimpsing the great mystery, significant timing, and pivotal moments. The Shri Yantra, the tuning fork of the universal consciousness. Music transcending mundane reality. This card signifies those pivotal moments that transcends belief. The Shri Yantra is that tuning fork that connects us to the universal consciousness. It is present in those aha moments. It brings a sense of awe and overwhelms. It allows us to fathom our limitless. This is all about